Right, once again, what energy do objects moves have? The object moves like someone running, a car running, objects falling from on high. What energy do they have? They have kinetic energy. And what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy a body has by virtue of its motion, meaning that all moving objects have kinetic energy. Example, a moving car, an object falling from on high, an athlete running. Today we are going to make kinetic energy calculation very simple. Before we do that, we are going to use this object to demonstrate kinetic energy. First, kinetic energy to be calculated, you need to know the mass and the velocity, which means the speed that the object moves to cover a distance. So first and foremost, you are going to determine the mass of this ball. So the mass of this ball is 21.5 grams. Don't forget, it's in kilograms. So we are going to divide this one by 1,000 to get it in grams. From here, we are going to see the velocity of this metallic ball. So let's move on to the velocity. This is the metallic ball, and this distance is 1.3 meters up to this distance. So we are going to see how the ball, the time that the ball will take to hit the other side. So now the metallic ball is going to move. Okay, so now as you can see, the metallic ball took 1 second to cover a distance of 1.3 meters. So now that gives us the velocity of the ball. So we are going to go to the board and see how we can input our data for the calculation of the kinetic energy. Per the data we collated or we gathered, we saw the mass of the metallic ball, which is 21.5 grams, and we converted it into kilogram. So we divided by 1,000 and we had 0.0215 kilogram. Now the velocity, which is the distance the ball covered per given time, is 1.3 meters per second. So kinetic energy formula is half times the mass times the velocity squared, which is half times m times v squared. So half times the mass, which is 0.0215, as we converted from grams to kilogram, multiplied by 1.3 squared, which is the velocity. So now when you multiply 1.3 squared, we are getting 1.69. Multiply by the mass, which is 0.0215, half the mass times the velocity squared. So therefore, the kinetic energy of the metallic ball is 0.02 joules. Don't forget, the units is very, very much important. Here we use the capital J. So, lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers, this is how kinetic energy can be made calculation easy. Thank you. Please, if today is the first time that you are watching me, do subscribe and please share. Thank you very much.